Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The small matcha tea powder grinding machine is a manual tool designed for those who prefer a traditional approach to processing dry and wet ingredients. This device is essentially a miniature version of the ancient stone mills used for centuries to produce flour and tea powders. It consists of two circular slabs of natural granite that sit atop a wooden frame. The primary function of this mill is to grind substances through the friction created by rotating the upper stone against the stationary lower stone. While it is marketed specifically for creating matcha from green tea leaves, its utility extends to a variety of other items such as soybeans, wheat, rice, and sesame seeds. This particular model is categorized as a small version, making it suitable for home use where space might be limited but the desire for fresh, stone-ground ingredients remains high. It operates entirely without electricity, relying on the physical effort of the user to turn a solid wood handle. This manual operation is a central feature of the product, positioning it as a tool for artisanal preparation rather than high-volume production. The build and design of this mill focus on the use of natural, heavy-duty materials. The grinding components are carved from natural granite, a material chosen for its extreme hardness and its ability to maintain a cool temperature even during prolonged use. This choice of stone is significant because granite is resistant to wear and does not leach chemicals into the food being processed. The stones are handcrafted, which means that each unit may have slight variations in the texture and color of the rock. Supporting these heavy stones is a wooden frame that provides a stable base for the grinding process. This frame is designed to catch the powder or liquid as it is pushed out from between the stones. The handle is made from solid wood, which is intended to provide a comfortable and sturdy grip for the user. The connection between the handle and the stone is designed to withstand the torque required to move the heavy granite slabs. Because the machine is made of stone and wood, it has a significant weight, which helps it stay in place during operation. The design is minimalist and functional, prioritizing the physics of the grind over modern aesthetic flourishes. When it comes to performance, the primary advantage of a stone mill is the quality of the output. In the case of matcha, the slow rotation of the granite stones prevents the tea leaves from being scorched. High-speed electric grinders often generate heat that can alter the delicate flavor and bright green color of the tea. Because this mill is turned by hand, the temperature remains low, preserving the nutritional integrity and the aromatic profile of the ingredients. For dry grains like wheat or rice, the mill produces a texture that is often described as more rustic or full-bodied than what is achieved by metal blades. When used for wet grinding, such as making soy milk, the stones effectively crush the soaked beans into a smooth slurry. The performance is directly tied to the user's technique and patience. To achieve a very fine powder, the material may need to be fed through the mill several times. This is not an efficient process in terms of time, but it is highly effective for those who want total control over the consistency of their ingredients. The stones are designed with grooves that guide the material from the center feeding hole toward the outer edges, ensuring an even distribution of pressure. This product is best suited for a specific type of user who values the process of food preparation as much as the final result. It is an ideal tool for tea enthusiasts who want to grind their own tencha leaves into fresh matcha just before brewing. It also appeals to individuals who are interested in traditional cooking methods or the slow food movement, where the goal is to engage more deeply with the ingredients. Because it does not require electricity, it is a practical choice for people living in off-grid environments or those who want to reduce their environmental footprint. It is also a popular choice for those who enjoy the meditative aspect of manual labor in the kitchen. However, because it requires physical strength and a significant amount of time to produce even small quantities of powder, it is not recommended for someone who needs to process large volumes of food quickly. It is a niche tool for the hobbyist, the traditionalist, or the culinary explorer who appreciates the unique texture and flavor profiles that only stone grinding can provide. At a price of approximately $315 at the time of writing, this stone mill represents a significant investment for a manual kitchen tool. The cost is largely reflective of the materials used and the handmade nature of the granite stones. It is important to weigh the high price against the durability and the specific results the mill offers. While an electric grinder would be much faster and considerably less expensive, it cannot replicate the low-temperature friction and the specific shearing action of natural stone. This mill is built to last for generations, as granite does not easily degrade and there are no electronic components to fail. It is a functional piece of equipment that also serves as a decorative item, reflecting a commitment to traditional craftsmanship. Ultimately, the value of this machine depends on how much the user prioritizes the quality of the grind and the traditional experience over modern convenience. It is a specialized tool that does exactly what it is designed to do, provided the user is willing to put in the work required to operate it. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.